yeah, you've got the turtle and the rabbit there. Oh yeah.
How's it going?
Hey, looking good, guy. Can I get a little closer
Oh, sure.
on the frog? My wife likes frogs.
Nice.
How long did it take you to get him to this point from a log?
I started about 9 a.m. today.
And what's it now? Past noon, right?
I think so.
And how many you use different saws, right? One for bulk and one for.
Yep. Yeah. So I used the two larger ones over there.
Mm-hmm.
And then the smaller guy on my left. I haven't used my real tiny one on this yet.
So what do you do when you get the sap in here like this? I see this frog's got some sap leading out.
Well, on this guy, I was planning on just letting him go.
Let's put some wood chips in there or something. I don't know.
Yeah, there's definite ways of handling it, and more or less how do you want to finish it. If I were to go about filling those cracks, I go with wood glue and wood shims in there.
That makes sense. Yeah.
But then that's a multi-day project at that point.
So you got some skills, dude.
Well, thank you.
All right, thanks for letting me get a close on it.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, guy.
This guy will be for sale too.
So what do you charge for a piece like that size?
This guy, I'd like to have 700 for him.
Oh wow, yeah. What kind of wood is he?
This is, I believe, blue spruce.
Blue spruce.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
This came from one of the guys that runs the show here.
Oh wow.
It's off of Miller Station Road.
There you go.
Nice local wood.
Mm-hmm. All right, well thanks again, guy.
Yeah.
It's already cracking. Yeah, you really say Maytag on them?
What's that?
You really say Maytag on them?
Yeah.
No training involved. Yeah.
Hey Steve, no wires on this light. This is a Caro lamp. So you put like oil in there and burn it, and then you'd have your tail light and no brake light, and then like there's your plate.
My grandmother used to come to the house out when we lived in the country,
Yeah.
and she lived in Lancaster City, and they would come out, and it was a dirt road where I lived at one time, and you could hear it coming up the road,
Really?
and then they'd go, ooh, ooh.
Chitty chitty bang bang.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's something like this.
One leaf spring.
Oh yeah, all the way, one set, yeah, both sides. What's this thing? Oh, that's the hand crank, like stabilizer. Oh, God. I see that one's got one too, yeah.